Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got my hair like this. And basically like a get ready with me, wash and go routine, fro routine type of video. So if you want to achieve this look, if you want to know how I achieved this look, keep watching. So for the wash and go part of this video, I'm going to be doing a voiceover. But the first thing I do is start on freshly washed hair and apply my Cantu's leave-in conditioning cream. It smells really good, but I just apply a lot of it on my hair. And this is basically how I moisturize my hair before I do my wash and goes. And yeah, I just get a lot and just, you know, distribute it through my hair and just make sure that I get all my strands. So after I'm done working the cream in on all my strands, I use my favorite DIY growth oil, which I'm going to link in the top right corner so you can see how I made it. But I use this oil for pretty much everything. I use it to moisturize and seal. I use it before my wash and goes, as you can see. I use it on my mini twist. I use it a pre-poo. But yeah, after I put the oil, I'm going to use my favorite gel, which is the Afro style gel in the brown color. This is the gel I use for all my wash and goes. Every wash and go I've done, this is my favorite gel to use. I feel like it's better than Eco Style gel, whatever it's called, the Eco Styler gel, whatever. I think it's better than that one. And it doesn't like create that hard texture. I don't know. I just like it. But anyways, then I use my comb and I do this for the sections where I want to see the most definition. I do not apply the gel on all my strands, mostly on the ends of my hair. Y'all, if I sound weird on these voiceovers, it's because English isn't my first language. So yeah, but anyways, look at that growth. But for the front of my hair, it's the most important part of the wash and go process. It's where I try to get the most definition because, I don't know, the front is just what's important. So now I just start shaking my head back and forth and like side to side. And this is really going to make your curls pop. Trust me, believe me. So now I just let my hair air dry and then I do my nighttime routine. And yeah. It's 1 p.m. but I just woke up. So I showed you how I did my wash and go, and now oh my god, I look so crusty. And now I'm gonna show you how I achieved my fro and basically a get ready with me. So bear how ugly I look. So the first thing I do is obviously take out these hair ties. If you haven't seen my nighttime routine, basically what I did was let my hair air dry. And then I did my nighttime routine. I'm gonna link it above here, somewhere above here. And you can see like how I wear my hair to sleep. As you can see, there's gaps between and like all these ugly little thingies, right? But we're gonna get rid of that. So yeah, I took a shower, I washed my face, and so you can see most of the gaps are gone. Now, first I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my face because it's a get ready with me, and that's the first thing I do if I'm trying to be kind of presentable. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face, and I'm just gonna get a little bit, and I'm gonna start making more videos with me talking instead of like doing voiceovers because I just feel like it's more intimate. But I'm just take a little bit, put it on my cheek, my nose, right here. And that's it. Now my forehead, because my forehead is usually covered by my bang. So I don't really need that. Wow, it's really smooth. And I'm in Florida, so I'm gonna be using BB cream, the Maybelline Dream BB Cream Fresh sunscreen, like a little sunscreen, tinted sunscreen. So first thing I'm gonna do is use my Bobbi Brown. Then we're gonna put some BB cream right there, and right there, and right here, and right here. Not too much, because my pores get clogged easily, so can't even do all that. So I'm just gonna spread it out. Mind you, I can't really see, so I'm probably gonna put my glasses back on and then like look again, but whatever. Now let me look with my glasses because I can't really see what I'm doing. And as you can see, this did not make a difference. That's because it's a sunscreen, so yeah, if you're looking for coverage, this is not it. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is, I should have done my eyebrows first, but whatever. I'm gonna be using my MAC, what is this? Mineralized Skin Finish. If I'm ever using foundation, this is what I use, because it's a powder, it's easy, it's quick. Y'all, I look so pale in this camera, like I'm really not this pale. And now we're gonna get it under the eyes, and this is what I use. I use my beauty blender, and then I like put some on the blender and then go under here with it. Boom, boom, boom. I know you guys can't see me, but you know what I'm doing. And I guess I'll add a little bit. Since I didn't do my eyebrows first, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my spoolie and brush. And this is not a tutorial, by the way. This is just what I do. For my eyebrow, I'm using some little beauty supply store dark brown pencil. Nothing pricey. Wow, this camera is like very bad lighting. Like, whatever. I know I look good in person. So for, I did my eyebrows off camera because I can't see, so. And now I'm gonna do some highlighter on my cheeks. This is the Urban, what is it called? Urban Decay? Highlighter. No. What? Oh no, I'm just shining. After I'm done doing that, I go back with more powder to cover off any extra, you know, because I'm not a makeup artist, so. Lip gloss, put some lip gloss. And I got this lip gloss from the dollar store. From Dollar Tree. I love it because it smells so good. And it makes my lips kind of pinkish. Okay, we're gonna do my hair now. You're gonna a blow dryer. blow dryer, a pick like this or a pick like this. And yeah. And don't be fooled with shrinkage. It's a lie. All the way down here. Okay? Okay. Okay. It's like hoops or no hoops. I don't even know. Let's try the other hoop. Because we can't forget the jewelry. How I'm feeling. Puerto Rican baby mama, hola, mi nombre es Isamar. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. And again, the afro looks bigger in person. I don't know what this thing got going on, but if you like this video, thumbs it up, subscribe to my channel. Oh, and this shirt. Okay, and this shirt I'm wearing is from Fine Jewels Co. I'm gonna drop the link down below. They drop different like collections every once in a while, so you gotta get it before it runs out. But yeah, I'm gonna drop the link down below. Yeah, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and watch my other videos. And I'll be back soon with more hair tutorials and more good stuff.